Come see this rarely available land-owned double-wide manufactured home in the great location of Vizcaya Lakes. This updated and remodeled home features a new roof and carport in 2023 and an enclosed Florida room that can serve many purposes, with a workshop attached in the rear. A storage shed and golf cart are also included and furnishings are negotiable. The community offers beautiful water views of the lake at the clubhouse, where you'll have use of the spacious pool, boat and kayak launch, shuffleboard courts and community activities. Great location near the Jobean Bridge, Charlotte Sports Park and several restaurants and bars. Low HOA fees of just $270 per quarter, $90 per month, and rentals are allowed. The updated kitchen features granite counters, a built-in desk/office area, closet pantry, newer black stainless steel appliances, garbage disposal and touchless faucet. The primary bedroom suite has an updated bathroom with dual sinks, a beautiful tile walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. The second bedroom has a walk-in closet as well. All laminate flooring throughout has been updated and this home is move-in ready. Just bring your toothbrush and clothes and escape the northern winter this year.